Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to solve one coding problem using Python. We will discuss two solutions for this question. First one will be naive approach and second solution will be improved version of that. Let's check problem statement now. So problem is count vowels in given string and it should be case insensitive. So basically we have to count occurrence of A, E, I, O, U in a given string. Alright. Some sample input and output have been given here. Let's check one by one. In first sample data, input is in uppercase and we have 4E. So output is 04000. Alright. In the second sample data, it's the same one but in lowercase. So again the output is same. In third sample data, we have 3A and 1I. So output will be 30100. Now let's check first solution. In line 4, we are reading input data. Then we have defined a counter dictionary with A, E, I, O, U as keys and 0 as its value. After that, we are iterating over given string and check if that character is available in counter dictionary. If yes, then we are increasing count of that character. Before we print output data, we need to convert Python dictionary to list and then print data. Now let's check second solution, which is more compact. Here we have used list comprehension to solve this problem. You can see in a single line we have solved this. A little bit explanation. If you already know the list comprehension, no need to explain anything. For those who don't know, then what we are doing over here is we have created a list of count value for all the vowels. Here k is a variable and its value will be A, E, I, O, U. I hope you got the solution and thank you for watching.